I have a toy helicopter from the late 60s to early 70s, and this is a KS SunStar helicopter. It was made in Hong Kong back in that era. A lot of these really cool plastic toys, and the box is in really good shape for 55 years. Has instructions, and we're going to see if I can assemble it. Parts here, springs, nuts, logo, and if you notice, there's weights on the end of each of these blades, and there's a reason for that. So the instructions are pretty basic, and I need more than 2 hands to put this together, but no, not right now. No, I'm okay. Uh-oh, here comes more hands. Oh my God. Okay, go away. I got it. Okay, so these blades, looks like the blades go into these hubs, plastic hubs, like so. So, yeah. And there's a little action here, you see. They recommend oiling this point right here, so these blades have room to move back and forth, and I'll show you the reason why in a second. They're attached with springs. Each one of these blades in place. Mechanical and really cool. Okay, so then we have this vertical axle. This. There we go. Yeah, that it sets in there like that, like so, and held together by this little set screw. And there is a tool that they send to tighten that, like so. So now you can see the propeller assembly is put together, and you got the weights there, and the centrifugal force is this way, it's counterclockwise, providing the proper angle for lift. Now this here goes through the body of the helicopter, and we have this set screw here. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in the we will tighten up that point right there. Let's see if we got it. There. So we got plenty of room to lift. That part's assembled. You have a rudder. These instructions. You have a rudder that snaps on. It's made of it's the soft plastic, and then there is the landing gear, front landing gear, snaps on like that, and there is a rear landing gear, snaps on like this. Isn't that cool? Doesn't that look cool? And how this works, this starter, and it's got a rubber band attached to it. It looks like the rubber band may have been replaced because this is not a 55-year-old rubber band. They tend to, and you pull it like that. So put the starter underneath, where it grabs onto that. As you can see, when you pull it, the blades rotate, and there is some. You can feel that. You can feel that wind. Yep. Oh, whoa. That wasn't supposed to happen. You have to admit that was cool though, right? Okay, I'm not sure why. I think maybe okay, so this face shouldn't unscrew itself. See if I can tighten it a little more. Oh yeah, this baby's ready for flight.
Ready?
Yes. Okay. Oh no.
All right.